So hello everyone. Today I will teach you how to make Chrome your default browser. So first open up System Settings by pressing Windows key and I. And then click on Apps. From the pane on the left side, click on Default Apps. So locate your web browser section, click on your current default browser, which is the Microsoft Edge, and then scroll through the list and select Google Chrome. So close settings, and that's it. Chrome is now your default web browser. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from my video.